Individual types of tasks, such as discovery tasks or configuration tasks, can't be run simultaneously on a single DM server. You can run a configuration task with a discovery task, and they will run at the same time, but you can't run two discovery tasks at the same time or two configuration tasks at the same time. They need to happen sequentially. For this reason, it is important to know how long a task will take before scheduling the next one. For example, if you have set up a discovery task to run every day at 4 a.m. and it takes 26 hours to complete, the task will only run every other day. The first day, it will run at 4 a.m. and it will not have completed by day 2 at 4 a.m., so the second day's task will not be kicked off to run. After the first day's task completes on day 2 at 6 a.m., the system will be idle until 4 a.m. on day 3 when the next task runs. For this reason, it is important to determine how long a task will take so they can be scheduled appropriately. To do this, create a task of the type that you are testing. In our example, we will create a discovery task for two subnets, 192.70.x.x and 192.71.x.x. Then we will examine the task log to determine their durations. Go to Discovery and Polling, Discovery, Network Search, and add a discovery task. Give it a name and description. Select the discovery range. Enter 192.170.1.2 through 192.170.254.254. And change the subnet mask to a Class B. Save the task. Go to Schedule. Select Daily at 1500. Save the task. Create another one for 192.171.x.x. If we schedule the second one for 1530, we will have a problem. The first task should take approximately 1 hour. The second task will not run because at the runtime another task is already running. This customer will look at this task log and wonder, why did 171 never kick off? Every day it's supposed to do a discovery, but every day when he comes in that task hasn't started. It's because the tasks weren't spaced out enough. This concern is especially true for remote firmware updates. How large is the firmware package that has to be pushed down? What's the network bandwidth between the core server and the DM server, and then the DM server to the device? Discovery is easy to calculate the time for, but remote firmware updates may be more complicated. To calculate the duration of a discovery task, go to the task log and filter on discovery tasks. Then, look at the start and end times to determine how long the tasks take. In this example, you can see the first discovery task took approximately 38 minutes. You will know to space out the tasks at least 45 minutes to an hour.